Guys, my baby's crib is here. It's here. I'm so excited. It's finally happening. Yep. I never thought it was all this. My baby's crib is here. Oh God, this is exciting. But you hope it's not what?
I hope it's not too delicate.
Guys, my washing machine is here. Finally. Finally. Oh my. This is great. It's a 7 kg Ramtons washing machine. Yo. And the way I hate washing clothes, this is like a lifesaver, man. This is a lifesaver. This is a lifesaver. Hey, thank you, my parents. Thank you, mom and dad, for this. I really appreciate it. Hey guys, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for clicking on my video. Today we are busy in the house. The house is being renovated, kind of. So for a very, very, very long time, I have always hated the color on my walls. So I've always wanted to paint my walls white or just some other color. But I've never gotten an opportunity. So today, I was able to get some paint. Shh. I was able to get some paint just to change the color on my walls and just to change like the whole look, you know. This for me is like a part of nesting, because it's just been on my mind. Like I've just been bothered to change this color, especially now that the baby is coming. So I just wanted something different, like for the baby to get the house and it's okay, you know. It's just natural. It's just natural for me, like to make arrangements so that the house can be organized, the house can be in order, the house can be different, because it's like a different new season for me. So it's painting day and it's going on well. We weren't able to get the very exact paint that I wanted, but we are just going to work with whatever we have. So it's a lot. It's a lot. This is the color. It's quite cream yellowish, which for me, this is not the color I wanted. I wanted something really bright, because I want like a change of everything. Even when I'm shooting my videos, there'll be lights. When, you know, like when I use ring lights, a white is much better than this cream. So I really hope there is going to be like transformation, like complete transformation from this to something else. So these are the colors. This is how it's looking.
Treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I, you keep me coming back for more. But I can feel it, you're not sure.
So guys, this is how we look most of the time. But today I woke up really early. The painter guy had told me he's coming at 8:30, so he was in the house at 8:30 sharp. And usually I'm still asleep at that time. So for me, it felt like I've been woken up before my sleep was over, or before I got enough sleep, because these days I wake up quite late, anything from 11, 12. It's the baby. It's not me. It's the baby. Please, it's the baby. So I feel quite beat. I just feel like sleeping, but I can't sleep. I've been here because I can't stay in the house because of those fumes and everything. So I just pop in every once in a while to check how it's going, to see how he's doing, the work he's doing, if he's doing a good job. But so far so good. Yeah, so I've really been trying to sleep, but no sleep is coming. No sleep at all. I just feel tired. I just feel so tired. But yeah, it's good. It's good progress. It's good progress, because I've wanted to paint that house for a very long time. The moment I got in that house and I saw the color, that yellow cream, it just annoys me. But I've been patient for about 2 or 3 years now. But I was like, no, my baby cannot get this color. No way. No way my baby is getting this color. So yeah, it's quite a transformation. It's quite a transformation. And yeah, so just putting up a bit of deco here and there, live plant. I don't know if I'll do live plants or artificial plants, just to add to the aesthetics of the house. But yeah, that's the progress so far.
Hear me out now. I'll say it just once more. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Nobody will love you, yeah, love you like I do. And nobody will treat you, yeah, treat you like I do. Whenever you need me, I'm truly madly ready. So let me love you, yeah, love you like I do. Love you like I do.
The house is so dirty. He missed a spot. Oh my god, I didn't see that. But I guess that will be covered by the seeds. Oh man, I didn't see that. Yeah, so the floor is so dirty. The whole house needs like thorough cleaning, but not today. Kindly not today, please. I'll do it tomorrow. I'll call someone to help. Guys, I am so hungry. I have barely eaten. I only took some rice in the morning and it was like very little. So I'm making something in the air fryer so I can be able to eat. But the house is done. The house is done. It looks good. It looks so good. I'm so happy with the results. I am happy with the color. Like, it's like a complete transformation from the yellow to this cream color. It's not as white as I wanted, but I feel like this will work. This will just do. This has just changed. Like, I just wanted the change, you know? Yeah, it might not be the exact color that I wanted, but it's good. It's so hot. Nairobi is so hot, man. I don't even know. So I am just stuck at how the hell I am going to be arranging all this, plus the bedroom. I'm so tired. I am just tired. I don't know what I'll do. I think today I'll just sleep like this, I swear, because I am not about to do this work now. I am not even sure I'm able to do it. So my plan is to maybe call someone to help, you know, help clean up, help, like, because the floors are so dirty.